My name is Subhadra Devi. I live in Bangalore and I work with Nature Conservation Foundation. I have started observing nature and recording my observations in the last couple of years. In this session, I will introduce you to a very useful app called iNaturalist.
iNaturalist helps you keep track of your nature observations and also helps you identify the species which you are observing. The observations you upload in iNaturalist become part of a huge database which is accessible to scientists and others who study various species. You can download the app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store and create an account with your mail ID. You can also use iNaturalist on a laptop, but in this video, I am covering the app. The first step in uploading an observation is to take a picture of the species you are interested in. If possible, take multiple pictures of the same item. For example, if I am posting a picture of a flower, I usually take a picture of the flower and then a picture of the leaf and a picture of the plant as a whole. For an insect or a spider, you can take multiple angles if it allows you to. Now let us create an observation. I already have a picture of this flower, then the leaf and the plant in my gallery. Select all three pictures and share it with iNat. You should post pictures of the same individual in the same post. You can see that the date, time and location are automatically filled in. Now click on What did you see? The app will give you a list of possible identifications which are generated by the AI in the app. If you do not know the identity or you cannot select from the IDs given by the app, it is alright to leave it at the genus or at the family level. Usually someone who is more knowledgeable than us on that particular taxa will help us to confirm the identity to the species level. Some may remain unidentified for some time, and that is okay. If a plant or a tree is cultivated or planted by someone and not wild, you can click the attribute captive or cultivated. You can also add notes to the observation. Now go ahead and find some species which interests you, take some pictures and iNat them.